morning. Wake up, grab your coffees, and enjoy it. Another Colton Richter classic. Did you know I actually upload every Sunday morning? If you want to see more of this crisp iced coffee content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've had these wheels in my room, sitting on my couch, since the beginning of summer. And I'm so excited because today, we're taking that next step. I don't even want to show you guys this, but this is all I'm going to show you so far. We're bringing the Mazda 3's wheels to get these tires mounted on them, which are some Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 in the 225/40/18. Two are brand new, two are used. But now they're actually getting mounted, which means we can look at actually, putting them on the car instead of just having them sit on my couch for another year. Let's go ahead and load these up. I gotta head down there and drop these off. My baby's in here with me. I'm like, I don't want to show you guys just yet. Tires are dropped off. Now we're gonna head back, play around with the nice Mazda 3. So if you guys didn't watch last video, no more wrap, and I highly suggest doing that as this is part of the show build kind of series. And I didn't wash it the other weekend, but it looks horrible. There's like dust, and I mean this. I'd like to just it would be nice to kind of re-clear this for the time being. So I'm gonna give this thing a nice little wash because it deserves it. And so all the panels blend together. I am so excited for those wheels. I want to give you guys a little tease. So they're an 18-inch wheel by 9. That's it. These white ones on this car right now are 9.5. The ones I'm putting on it are a 9, but the offset is 19. Oh no. That's all I'm gonna tell you for now. If you guys haven't seen my wash method tutorial, I'll leave that up in the top right for you. Just gonna whip up some quick wax on this thing. As of the paint, can't really see, but there's some like kind of waxy glue lines left behind. You can kind of see it on this side, maybe two different colors, but this door is all like mangled, like this door. So I'm gonna do a quick wax, kind of see if I can get rid of all the adhesive, and then we should be good. Look at the gloss on this car, dude. This car is so hard to shoot in the sunlight because it replicates so much blue. Looks like it did before, except wheels and a front lip. But those wheels that are coming in, man. Do you guys even remember this thing? This is the off-road beater. I've pretty much stocked it out, took the springs out, took all the lights off, took the big tires off. Now it's just the beater. Yeah, I actually remember making a video on this, selling my Mazda 3. I was supposed to sell it, so I kept it. Guys, these things look so good with the tires on them. Have a sneak peek. Here's the sneak peek. Seriously though, these are so nice. So I trimmed my beard. Now you guys can see this big hole, and that's all I can see. All right, I can't just show you the wheels yet. If you follow me on Instagram, I actually have an Instagram reel or a TikTok video of the wheel, but you gotta find the specific video. So it's been announced, just not here. That just would ruin the fun. This is very, very exciting for me, and I hope it's exciting for you guys too. We're just getting started with this. I got coilovers that are pretty much here. They will be here by the time this video is uploaded, so we're getting a pretty early start on this. The season's not over yet, so I still want to use those BC Racing coilovers that are still in the car. Same with the Work Emotions that are on the car, so I can drive it until the year actually ends. So the wheels and the new coilovers will go on the car, just not yet. Still want to drive it. Still wanna, I gotta send one last hoorah. I gotta go for one good last cruise. And that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe button, leave a like, on the video and comment down below. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Been an awesome year and we're counting down a lot faster than we think. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.